Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1905, Mr. and Mrs. R.B. Binns claimed the distinction of being the oldest married couple in the area. Wedded in 1852, the couple enjoyed more than 53 years together. This week in 1909, a quote from an English visitor to Williamsburg 100 years earlier was printed in the Virginia Gazette. The visitor spent time here in 1808 writing these words. A very low church with monstrous high steeple, a shackly old town, but mighty proud people. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.